This model kit review is of the Speed Racer, and this is a 1/25th scale model by Polar Lights, and it seems like a fairly basic model. We'll have to have a look. Here's some photos of the finished model. And let's have a look inside. So we'll have a look at these sprues first. So it includes the body. So here's our body. It's fairly well molded, no mold lines. Oh, maybe one there. Can be lightly sanded off. Here is our cockpit, and looks like the wheel wells. And our this is our chassis. We do have a lot of writing here, which can be sanded off. Here's the inside of the doors. We have our center console and dashboard. Here's the dash cover, steering wheel. We've got our pedals. Here we have seats, interestingly enough with some holes in them. We'll have to see if that needs to be filled or not. And seat belts. Here's some additional parts. Looks like maybe part of the engine. We've got exhausts here, and then we've got some of the extra pieces for the weapons they use while racing, steering links, and so on. Here we have our chrome parts. We've got disc brakes. I really don't like the this chrome that they've put on here. We have our wheels. Here's the other side of the wheel. You have the blades for weapons. We have our wheels. And then we have our cockpit glass. And some decals. Here are the instructions. Those are the colors needed there. And shows you how to put together the cockpit area and the engine bay, and then the wheels going onto the chassis. Those look like, actually those are jack stands. I don't really see, I guess the only reason to have those holes on the seats for the seat belts. And then different body parts going on. It's all glued together, and that's that. Let's look at the other side. Nothing there really. So all in all, reasonable kit, but this is not a real car.